سے ہی زیادہ
ہیں ان کے لیے یہ زندگی کے زیادہ خوبصورت منظر ہیں جو جب وہ دیکھتے ہیں. ڈاکٹر کے ساتھ ملاقات ہوا لیکن ہمارے کمیشن میں بھی جو آپ کا کنٹریبیوشن ہے
اداروں پہ اور اس کے در و دیوار سے محسوس ہوتا ہے جب آپ کسی بھی تعلیمی ادارے میں.
ہارٹ ٹو ہارٹ سندھی کے کچھ لفظ میں کوشش کروں گی کہ آپ کو کہہ سکوں. تاری وڈی وڈی مہربانی جو آپ جو ٹائم اسپیئر کयो اینڈ یو آر ود اس ٹوڈے. جزاک اللہ سر. Long way journey and he gradually is taking care of all the steps along with the nine
training coordinator for this program. It's my absolute honor and privilege to is organized by National Academy of Higher Education, titled as NAHI, to enhancing the quality and effectiveness of higher education in Pakistan. And it aims to impart essential knowledge, skills, and attitudes necessary for success. It focuses on three technical dimensions of faculty-driven program, which is teaching and learning. This program also aligned with the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) such as quality and economic growth, climatic action, and peace and justice. By enhancing to foster sustainable development and innovation in our societies. So I am the executive director of HEC Islamabad, who has graciously joined us today and 3 to 4 months. Thank you, sir. And I also welcome Sir Abid Sahab. Her vision and leadership continue to uplift of the institution. Finally, to all of the most of this enriching experience, this program is an opportunity for growth, collaboration, and innovation.
So we have a tradition of decorating Ajrak to our honorable guest. She is the managing director of NAHI. So we have a video message, please.